this back a little bit. Open up the CPU box. Let's see, let's just open. Oh, sorry. So in this box, we got the manual plus the sticker. Flip on the case if you want to.
That's a cool sticker.
It says Intel Pentium inside.
Let me see. Cool.
Yeah. And then the processor should be right. Okay, so here's the fan and heatsink. The reason why it's in this container is because there is thermal compound on the bottom there, like base stuff. Right on the bottom.
Yeah.
That keeps the CPU cool. Keeps it cool. So we'll need that later. So we're not gonna so that's also touch like base stuff on the bottom. That's why it's protected with this cover.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just set this aside for now. Now we need to get from here is the processor. And that comes out. There you go, I left here, and it's over here. Now we bring this back. Let me switch my hand. Let me switch this to the other hand. Get easier. Now we bring this back. I need to make this vertical over.
You're enjoying this, aren't you?
Okay, now the way this works is on the motherboard you will see a triangle, which is right over here. It's a little white thing over here. Don't get too close to
That
it.
thing?
Yeah, that white thing. See it? My
Mm-hmm.
fingers?
Yeah.
That shows you which way the CPU is supposed to be aligned.
So it's supposed to be lined by the smaller one or the
The little arrow over here.
Oh, okay.
Now, on the CPU itself, you see a smaller white arrow on the side over here. I don't know if you can see it.
I cannot. Oh, where your fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
Another way you can know is that when you have the socket open like this in front of you,
Mm-hmm.
and you put the CPU down and the letters all facing are all readable,
Mm-hmm.
you have it the right way. So it has to be facing like this with the letters on top. Where you can look over it and be like, okay, this is the Intel Pentium. Whether it's upside down or sideways is wrong. Now when holding a CPU, I'm going to hold it by the sides, not by the top or by the bottom. It's supposed to just drop in easily. Just like that. Then you lower the cover. Make sure that it goes by the screw over here. And the retention arm has to come down with force. This cover will pop up. Remember to save this cover. We have to save this cover because if you have to send it back for anything,
Mm-hmm.
the manufacturer will not accept the board without this cover.
Mm.
That's voiding the warranty without this cover. Now this thing does take a lot of force, so just bear with it. Okay, great.